everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel, your go-to destination for professional learning and upskilling in technology, digital marketing and business. In today's video, we are deep diving into cybersecurity certification that can supercharge your career in this fast-growing field. Cybersecurity is more important than ever with threats increasing daily and companies actively seeking skilled professionals to safeguard their data. Whether you're just starting out, looking to specialize or aiming for leadership roles, these are the certifications for you. In this video, we are going to divide cybersecurity certifications into 3 categories to make it easier for you to choose: entry-level certifications, mid-level and specialized certifications, and advanced management certifications. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out an update from our videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below your thoughts or questions. Now let's explore the cybersecurity certifications that can take your career to the next level. For those just starting in cybersecurity, these certifications provide a strong foundation and help you gain credibility in this field. CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus is widely regarded as an industry standard for entry-level cybersecurity professionals. It covers core topics like network security, threats and vulnerabilities, cryptography, and identity management. The exam is globally recognized and is an excellent starting point for beginners. The cost of the exam is approximately $439 and it's provided by CompTIA. No formal prerequisites are required, though having some IT experience or CompTIA Network Plus certification is recommended. Next, we have Certified Ethical Hacker, which is CEH. While CEH is often seen as mid-level, EC Council offers foundational tracks suitable for beginners wanting to understand ethical hacking concepts. CEH teaches the tools and techniques used by hackers to test and secure systems. Exam costs vary depending on your location, usually around $1,199 for a full exam. Some knowledge of network and basic IT concepts is helpful before attempting this certification. Next, we have CISCO Certified CyberOps Associate offered by Cisco. This certification focuses on security operations centers, incident monitoring, and threat analysis. It's perfect for individuals aiming to start a career in cybersecurity operations. The exam fees is $300 and no formal prerequisites are required, although familiarity with basic networking concepts will help. Now that we have covered the entry-level certifications, let's move on to the mid-level and specialized certifications for those who want to deepen their expertise and focus on specific areas of cybersecurity. Once you have the foundation knowledge, mid-level certifications help you specialize in areas like ethical hacking, cloud security, or threat analysis. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, which is CISSP, offered by IAC Square. CISSP is one of the most respected cybersecurity certifications globally. It covers 8 domains including security and risk management, asset security, and software development security. The exam cost is around $749 and it requires at least 5 years of professional experience in 2 or more of the CISSP domains. CISSP is ideal for professionals looking to deepen their knowledge and credibility in cybersecurity. Next, we have Certified Ethical Hacker, which is CEH. This EC Council certification is designed for professionals who want to become ethical hackers. The course teaches penetration testing techniques, attack vectors, and countermeasures. The exam costs around $1,199 and candidates typically benefit from at least 2 years of experience in IT security. CEH is highly recognized in industries like finance, government, and tech. Next, we have Certified Cloud Security Professionals, which is CCSP. For those who are focusing on cloud environments, CCSP by IAC Square validates your ability to secure cloud infrastructure and data. The exam fees is around $599 and candidates should have 5 years of IT experience, including 3 years in information security and 1 year in cloud security. It's ideal for cloud engineers, architects, and even security specialists. Next, we have CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, which is CYSA+. CYSA+ is vendor-neutral certification focused on threat detection, analytics, and response. It is a great bridge between entry-level and advanced certifications. The exam costs around $447 and is recommended for professionals with 3 to 4 years of experience in IT security and related fields. With mid-level certifications covered, let's explore advanced and managemental certification designed for seasoned professionals aiming for leadership roles and strategic positioning in cybersecurity. These certifications are suited for experienced professionals aiming for leadership, strategy, and high-level security managemental roles. Certified Information Security Manager, which is CISM, offered by ISACA. CISM is designed for security managers focusing on governance, risk management, and program development. The exam fees is $760 for ISACA members and $975 for non-members. Candidates are expected to have at least 5 years of work experience in information security management. Next, we have Certified Information System Auditor, which is CISA. Also from ISACA, CISA targets professionals involved in auditing, control, and assurance of information system. The exam cost is similar to the CISM and a 5 year of relevant experience is required. CISA is highly respected in finance, IT auditing, and risk management domains. Next, we have Offensive Security Certified Professionals, which is OSCP. OSCP is an advanced certification for penetration testers offered by Offensive Security. It is renowned for its hands-on practical exam, which involves exploiting live systems in lab environments. The cost ranges from $999 to $1,499, depending on the lab duration. OSCP is widely recognized among ethical hackers and cybersecurity specialists who want to demonstrate real-world skills. Next, we have Certified Chief Information Security Officer, which is CCISO. CCISO is aimed at a senior executive managing enterprise security programs offered by EC Council. It combines leadership, governance, and risk management skills. Exam costs around $999 and candidates should have experience in senior information security management roles. And that wraps up with a detailed guide to the top cybersecurity certifications for every stage of your career, from entry level to advanced leadership roles. Investing in the right certification can significantly boost your skills, credibility, and career growth in the cybersecurity field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends or colleagues, and comment below with your favorite certification or any questions you might also have. Also, check out our videos to continue your journey in cybersecurity and tech learning. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.